Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I do the 4G plus speed test and the download test comparison between all these three Realme phones which I got right now. As you can see, friends, starting with the Realme X1 Max device, as you can see here, next is a Realme X2 Pro device, and third phone is a Realme X1 Max device. I'm trying to use a Jio SIM card during this time of testing, so this is completely indoor type situation in my studio room. I am trying to do this kind of testing, friends. So let's see which phone will be having the carrier aggregation, which phone will be having the highest speeds, and which phone will have faster download speeds. That is what I'm going to use in this exact same scenario, same situation, and same SIM. So in case if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to check the playlist for which I have created only for the 4G plus lovers. So you can check this playlist and that will give you the clear idea which phone has got what type of speed and which phone is better in terms of the 4G aggregation and connectivity wise. So first let me try to open quickly the NetMonster application in all the three smartphones just to show you which phone has got what kind of band and which has got 4G plus aggregation. All the details I'll try to explain. If you want to download the live wallpapers, so make sure to check the playlist for the live wallpapers that you can find in the description below. So right now, as you can see, friends, this is a Realme X1 Pro device, so which I'm getting 4G plus aggregation sometimes as well. Sometimes I can definitely see 4cc as well. So I did see the 4cc, but I'll try to show you what is going on by looking at the notification panel. As you can see here, we can actually see the bands each and every time. I'll try to keep you posted, friends. Let me try to open the RX Monitor application. These are the results. I'll try to keep it here. You can see 2CA. So overall, the Realme X1 Pro is getting the Jio 4G plus signals inside my studio room. So next, let's move to the next phone, which is the Realme X2 Pro device. So in the Realme X2 Pro as well, we are getting the 4G plus as well, as you can see, with two bands. So 850 plus 1800 sometimes, as you can see, friends, clearly. So I'll try to keep this RX Monitor application side. So let me to open the same thing in the Realme X1 Max device. So this is a Realme X1 Max. Let me to open the NetMonster application. Let me to show you exactly what kind of band I'm getting. As you can see, friends, I'm getting LTE. Let me turn on the mobile data. So right now the mobile data is turned on and I'm getting the carrier aggregation as well, 4G plus in the Realme X1 Max. But let's see, friends, while doing the test, what will be the results are. That is what the real scenario going to having. As you can see at this point, all the three smartphones are getting the carrier aggregation. You can clearly see, friends. So in the first test, successfully all the three smartphones are able to get the carrier aggregation without any problem. You can clearly see that. So 2cc I'm getting in this Realme X2 Pro device. So I'll try to start the next test is the speed test. Let's see, friends, in the speed test what will be the results will be happening. Let me try to open the speed test application in all the three smartphones, and I'll try to do the speed test at same time. So doing the test at same time, let's see which phone will be the clear winner when I try to do the test at same time. Let's see. And X7 Pro, X1 Max. In the middle, I did choose the Realme X2 Pro. As you can see, friends, right now I'm getting a Realme X2 Pro slightly better speeds because it has got 3cc. So 3cc I'm getting here, and in the Realme X1 Max I'm getting 1800. Realme X1 Pro I'm getting 2cc. As you can see, 2cc I'm getting in the Realme X1 Pro, and in the X2 Pro I'm getting 3cc. So now it became 2cc as well, as you can see. That is something which I thought of mentioning overall. But in the first speed test results, that clearly proves that the Realme X2 Pro has got slightly better speeds. The Realme X2 Pro device. As you can see, friends, clearly this is test number 1 which we did right now. Let me try to quickly go back and start the test again. Let's see in the second time. So I'm trying to do the multiple time testing just to be on safe side. So just to check which phone is actually having that kind of high speeds. So now let's see what will happen in this third test. So even third test as well, the Realme X2 Pro is performing really great. That's really good, friends. I did not even imagine the Realme X2 Pro can do that. So 2cc I'm getting here. And whereas the Realme X1 Max, I'm getting only one band, which is only 1800, as you can see clearly. But X7 Pro is the X7 Pro, which I'm getting about 2cc as well on the top. You can see clearly, friends. I think overall in this kind of 4G speed test results, the Realme X2 Pro is performing slightly better than expected. That's another good thing, but let's see. Let me try to do the test one by one. So these are the tests which we did at same time, but doing one by one will give us the real speed what is going on with the each phone. So right now this is a Realme X7 Pro. So as you can see, friends, this is a Realme X7 Pro. I'm getting speeds of about 5 Mbps, and on the top 4G plus you can see, and 2cc. And 6.6 is the highest recorded with the Jio SIM card in this location in the Realme X1 Pro. So once this one has stopped this upload, then I'll try to continue immediately in the Realme X2 Pro. Then we will get to know how is the Realme X2 Pro is performing. If Realme X2 Pro is performing really great, then I can do one thing. I'll try to compare with this phone versus other phones. So maybe iQ7 or maybe Mi11X device, I can definitely do that. Even I am really shocked. Oh my god, I'm getting 14-15 Mbps of speeds using the Realme X2 Pro. So which is a pretty old device, I think 1.5-year old phone, and still it was able to get the really good speeds. 15.6 is the highest speeds. That's fantastic. So whereas I got only 6 speeds using the same GeoSIM, friends, same GeoSIM at same location at same time. So these are the results I'm getting. Let's see what will happen with this Realme X1 Max right now. So is the Realme X1 Max, and with the Realme X1 Max I'm getting speeds about 11 Mbps, not much, 11 and 8 Mbps only during this time, as you can see, friends, 11 and 8, and it's not getting any kind of 2cc at this point, only 1800 band. You can clearly see the difference, friends, how much it is. So first position goes to the Realme X2 Pro, and second position goes to the Realme X1 Max, and third goes to the Realme X1 Pro. Sorry, second goes to Realme X1 Max, and first Realme X2 Pro, third X1 Pro. As you can see, friends, the clear comparison. That's really great. Even I am really shocked. I'll try to keep this in mind, and I'll try to use this phone in comparison with other smartphones, maybe iQ7 and the Mi11X device or OnePlus 9R particularly. I'll try to test the speed. So in terms of the speed test, the Realme X2 Pro is a winner. So now let's do the download test. I'll try to download the game from the Play Store. Let me try to open the game from the Play Store, which is Hill Climb Racing, which I'm going to download. Let me try to open the Play Store. It should be somewhere around here. Yep. And let me try to open the Hill Climb Racing. And same game I'm going to install even in this phone as well. So all the phones are, I'm trying to install the same game. As you can see, friends, same game. Let me try to open the stopwatch if possible, so I can keep it ready. Which phone is finishing at what time, and we can actually see how much difference can it be there between the phone to phone. So the stopwatch is also ready right now, as you can see, friends, clearly. Now let me try to start the test at same time I'm trying to do. So it's really difficult to do at same time. Let's see whether I can do it or not. Yes, I did that same time, and the stopwatch is also started, as you can see, friends. Now let's observe which phone the percentage is going faster. I think the Realme X1 Max percentage is going faster. So as you can see, friends, Realme X1 Max is doing slightly better job, little bit, but you can see the top download speeds as well, and you can see the band, which band is using what phone. And 600 kbps I'm getting in this Realme X1 Max, and 450 500 kbps in this Realme X2 Pro. And whereas the Realme X1 Pro is not performing that great, so I think it's out of the league maybe, but let's see what will happen. We never know, friends, because sometimes the mobile phones, they'll definitely speed up at the end. So right now, as you can see, the X2 Pro and the X1 Max, they're slightly close to tug of war, as you can see. So much brilliant, friends, as you can see. Their speeds are keep on increasing, these two phones. Wow, I think at this point the Realme X2 Pro is gonna be winner. X2 Pro, that's really great. I did not even think the X2 Pro will be the winner. I thought the X1 Max would be there. So finished, and next is a Realme X1 Max. It's going to finish, yes, and third phone still is going on in the X1 Pro. As you can see, friends, still the download is going on in this phone. So this is the test which I did at same time. Next I need to do individual testings. So as I said, every time whenever I do the same time, it will be different results. If I try to do the individual time, that will give the different results. So at the same time testing, the Realme X2 Pro is a clear winner. So now still this download is going on in the Realme X1 Pro. So right now it's 97% and it's finished. As you can see, friends, so first is Realme X2 Pro, 1 minute 9 seconds, second 1 minute 14 seconds X1 Max, and third X7 Pro, 1 minute 45 seconds. So now let me try to download the same game. I'm trying to download in this X7 Pro at same time. Let's see. Just to show you what will be the high speeds recorded in this phone on the top of the notification panel. Which phone can actually record high speeds? Let's see, friends. So which phone can actually do that? So right now I'm getting 1.4 in this Realme X7 Pro device, as you can see. So it's kind of close to 1 Mbps I'm getting, not much. So 32, so 32 percentage and 36 percentage. It's even by using single phone as well, the speeds are not that great in the Realme X1 Pro. This is an indoor type testing which I'm trying to do, friends. Indoor, that is the reason. So maybe if you're in the closed environment, maybe office buildings, so you should know this kind of things before actually buying the phone. Which phone has got what kind of 4G network speeds indoors. So that is the reason mainly I did specifically this kind of testings in my channel. So right now it's kind of close to 83 percentage and 87 percentage, not bad, 90 percentage, and overall the time takes about close to, let's see, done. So 68 seconds in the Realme X1 Pro device, 68 seconds. Now let me see in the Realme X2 Pro what will be the time in this phone. Yep, let's see friends, Realme X2 Pro. And now as you can see, now the speeds of 1.70 Mbps friends, 1.70, 1.80. Wow, that's really incredible in this Realme X2 Pro. I did not even imagine 1.90. 1.90 is the highest speeds recorded by this Realme X1 Max. So maybe the reason I'm getting 2 bands, so 2cc I'm trying to get, that is the reason might be there, I'm guess so. So let's see how much time the phone needs. I think done in 40 seconds. Wow, that's really great. 40 seconds the Realme X2 Pro finished, 68 seconds this phone took. Let's see whether the Realme X1 Max can beat this Realme X2 Pro or not. That's going to be a really interesting test. Let's see friends what will happen. So let's see, 1 2 get set go. Yep. So let's see right now the top notification speeds you can actually see. So we did record 1.90 speeds in the Realme X2 Pro. In this phone we are getting about 1.20 and 1.50. Not bad. So these are using the same SIM card friends. So same Jio SIM only I'm trying to use from the beginning to till now. I did not change any kind of SIM at all during this point. I don't think the Realme X1 Max can actually beat the X2 Pro. No. As you can see friends, the speeds are not that fast. Not that in this Realme X1 Pro. So only thing, maybe it's not getting more bands. That might be the reason. So 1.50, so at this location. But it's better than the Realme X1 Pro. Yes, it's better than the Realme X1 Pro. So let's see whether this can finish within this 68 seconds or not. 98, yes, done. 58 seconds. As you can see friends clearly. So the clear winner is the Realme X2 Pro, which has done the download within 40 seconds, like 40 seconds of time, 58 seconds of time, and 68 seconds of time in the X1 Pro device. So these are the download test comparison between all these three Realme phones. And make sure to comment below friends what are your thoughts about this kind of comparison. In case if you want me to include this kind of comparison, so make sure to let me know in the comments below. Definitely I can do this kind of comparison very frequently as well. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.